Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're viewing this. Week 5, we start talking about beverages. And you do have some additional time to be finalizing your beverage presentation. But this week, there's no organizational charts to guide us as in the previous 2 weeks because I'm going to be able to post all of your presentations so that you can learn from each other on the different kinds of beverages, what food it pairs with, what are some trends, where does it come from, and how is it made. In addition to those presentations that I look forward to receiving, also I have included a couple of videos. I just picked 3. There's so many that are out there to be able to learn kind of the art and craft of cocktails and beverages. So I hope you enjoy those viewing opportunities, and I look forward to a great week ahead. Thank you.